Hey there, plant lovers! Today we're diving into the world of air-purifying plants that can make your home or office a breath of fresh air. These green machines are low-maintenance, budget-friendly, and just plain awesome. Let's get started. First up, we have the spider plant, a true champion when it comes to battling those pesky toxins like formaldehyde and xylene. This resilient plant effortlessly absorbs those nasty chemicals and leaves your air feeling fresh and clean. Plus, they're super easy to care for, even if you're a self-proclaimed plant killer. They sprout little baby spider plants or spiderettes that you can easily propagate and share with your friends. Next we have the snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. It's known for being nearly indestructible, perfect for those of us who forget to water our plants sometimes. The snake plant is a filtration powerhouse, tackling toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. Just remember, this one's toxic to pets, so keep it out of reach of any furry friends. Now, if you're looking for a plant that's both beautiful and functional, look no further than the peace lily. This elegant plant graces your home with its stunning white blooms while tackling toxins like ammonia, benzene, and formaldehyde. Just remember, like the snake plant, the peace lily is toxic to pets. Moving on to the English ivy, a climbing plant that's perfect for adding a touch of greenery to any room. It's a mold-busting machine, effectively reducing airborne mold spores that can wreak havoc on your sinuses. English ivy also tackles those not-so-pleasant fecal matter particles that can linger in the air. It's particularly happy in humid environments, making it a great choice for bathrooms, kitchens, or even laundry rooms. Next up, we have the bamboo palm, a tropical beauty that's perfect for adding a touch of paradise to your home. It's a pro at filtering out toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene. The bamboo palm thrives in low-light conditions, making it ideal for darker corners of your home. Just be sure to give it a little extra humidity, especially during dry winter months. Now, who doesn't love aloe vera? This succulent superstar is famous for its soothing gel that works wonders on sunburns and skin irritations. Aloe vera is also a natural air purifier, tackling formaldehyde and benzene. It's incredibly easy to care for, making it an excellent choice for beginner plant parents. Just give it plenty of sunlight and water sparingly, and it will reward you with clean air and those magical healing properties. Moving on to the Boston fern, a lush and vibrant plant that's like a breath of fresh air for your home. This plant is fantastic at adding humidity to the air, which is especially helpful during dry winter months. The Boston fern is also a champion at removing pollutants like formaldehyde and xylene. Just remember, the Boston fern likes to stay moist, so be sure to water it regularly and give it a good misting every now and then. Last but not least, we have the rubber plant, a striking plant with large, glossy leaves that can add a touch of drama to any room. The rubber plant is a powerful air purifier, effectively removing toxins like formaldehyde. It's a relatively low-maintenance plant, perfect for busy folks who want to enjoy the benefits of clean air. Just give it moderate light and water it when the soil is dry, and it will reward you with clean air and stunning leaves. And there you have it, folks. 8 amazing plants that not only beautify your space but also purify the air you breathe. So what are you waiting for? Head to your local nursery or order some of these green machines online and start breathing easier today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Happy planting!